some, and. Any. Ever felt lost choosing between some and any? Fear not, language explorers, the mighty some. Think of some as a friendly neighbor offering you something from their abundance. But when can I use it? First, in a positive statement. Second, for quantities that are unknown or unspecified, you might know how much, but there is some. Examples: I have some cookies left. I saw some birds in the park. The elusive any. Any is the mysterious visitor. It's often used in these two situations. First, for questions, you're unsure if something exists and are asking for confirmation. Secondly, in negative statements, you know there is none of something. Examples: do you have any cookies left? I didn't see any birds in the park. We don't have any water left. Remember, some can also imply offering a small amount. Would you like some tea? In the case of any, it can be used positively in requests. Could you give me any suggestions? Mastering these subtle differences will elevate your communication and turn you into a language master. So, that's it. If you have any questions about these tricky quantifiers, don't hesitate to ask. If you are interested in some language classes, don't forget to contact us through Instagram or our website. That's all for today. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content like this.